Microsoft Access is an application that is used for creating and managing relational databases. In these databases, information is stored in tables. The tables have a strictly defined structure. The Microsoft Access database application permits you to select and additionally process only the information required from the saved information, create additional derived information from the saved information by using different calculations, view and print the selected and derived information in various formats, and also publish it on the Internet. In this lesson, you will familiarize yourself with the basic terms employed when working with databases. You will be learning additional necessary terms in the course of the upcoming lessons. In general, database systems are used for saving and sorting large quantities of information. This information can be repaired, removed, added to, selected, and sorted using database applications. Selection and sorting of information can be carried out very rapidly. In the Microsoft Access database application, the information is organized in the form of tables. The application offers tools for their management, and it allows you to set ties between items of information. Tables can also be linked on the basis of a common element. The linked tables will then appear to the user as a single table. Data common to both tables can then be saved to one table only, which prevents unnecessary duplication of data. The database size and the number of potential errors created by filing a single piece of information in several places can thereby be reduced. What is meant by the term table? A table is a collection of data describing a single object type that is arranged in rows and columns. Access application databases usually contain several tables. For example, one table may consist of data about employees. Another table can contain data concerning individual departments. Take a look at the tables displayed. Each table row constitutes one record. Each record contains data concerning a single subject, one employee, one workplace. The records consist of individual items. These items have pre-filled values. The tables have a strictly defined structure. Each column of a table represents one field. Different table fields contain information concerning different object properties. When creating a table, different field properties are defined, especially the data type, text, date. The data subsequently entered into the field items must correspond with the given data types. This means that it is not possible to enter different data types into a field of a different type of records, for example, in a spreadsheet in the Microsoft Excel application. For example, there are several fields in the Employees table displayed. You can see the fields: Employee ID number, first name, last name, education, department code, and job title. Click on the horizontal scroll bar in the Employees table. The table has moved, and more fields are visible now. By scrolling down, you will discover that each record in the Employees table must contain 15 items. A datum is a simple data element. Data represent the values of the particular items in a specific record. We have moved back in the table for you. The datum 18 entry is a value of the Employee ID number field in the first record of the Employees table. Johnson is a value of the last name field in the second record of the same table. In this lesson, you have familiarized yourself with the basic terminology used in designing relational databases.